I have an expansion here for the Star Wars X-Wing Miniatures game by Fantasy Flight Games. This is an Imperial Aces expansion pack, and the miniatures are essentially just repaints of the interceptors. We'll open it up and take a look and see what other components come inside. You see, you get some baggies with some stuff here. And you get kind of the clamshell packaging that holds the miniatures. Seems like a lot of box for what you get in it. But you get the kind of red painted one. The pre-paints, they're really nice miniatures. And then you kind of get the red highlighted one here. So essentially the same model as an interceptor, just some differentiating paint jobs. You get the bases that those miniatures mount on. You get a couple of snaps that hold the movement dials together. You're going to get the instruction pack with it here that shows you the contents list. Shows you the new upgrade cards. Looks like you have a Mission 7 setup. Some ship restricted upgrades, some special rules here for, I guess, that's going to be the scenario with the objectives for victory. You get a maneuver chart for the interceptor, which they have other places, and then the credits. So fairly simple. It's like you get a scenario and just an update on some of the rules you'll need to know. You're going to get the cards for these with the different abilities. You have the evade, the focus, the I guess some sort of explosion. You have the different pilot stat cards, part of the movement dial, some proton torpedo locks there, a number for your to match your ship to your card. It looks like you get a couple of more pilots there, so you're going to get 4 pilots in total. Or hold on, there, too much glare. You're going to get 2 pilots here that are named. And then you're going to get Royal Guard pilots on the other side. And I believe this is going to be the same thing. You're going to get, no, these are Saber Squadron pilots on that side, and then 2 named pilots on the other side. You also get a couple of shield tokens, some stress tokens, some more numbered pieces to differentiate your ship, proof of purchase token, and the other half of the dial. Well, you get the 2 numbered part of the dials on these 2 sheets, and then the 2 cover parts on this sheet. We have some, I'm not sure what these pieces are. There's some sort of I'm not sure what those do. These are some sort of scenario specific functions. Something to do with the facilities on asteroids, and may give special abilities depending on something you do in the game. And you got some more. I guess those may be damage tokens. I'm gonna get some little cards here. So we have some push the limit card, opportunist cards, targeting computer, hull upgrade, shield upgrade, and Royal Guard tie. big cards here. You have the new pilots here. You have Carnor Jax and Kier Canos. Those look to be the red TIE Fighter. And then the Royal Guard pilots are also the red TIE Fighter, it looks like. You have Tetran Cowell, Lieutenant Laurier, and then Saber Squadron pilot. I don't know why they give you two. And then you have some modifications and titles cards and the boost action card, kind of giving you an explanation of those mechanics. So that is everything that comes in the Star Wars X-Wings miniature game expansion, Imperial Aces.